told you guys I was gonna make a video on this leg, but I did because I was like, yeah, let's do it. Alright. And yeah, so I'm gonna go, you guys gonna check out Crystal. Here she is. Sorry, my camera. Something's wrong with my camera. My wall is not blue. That's my camera. Finally, she's wearing her headband. So she takes this toy. She takes this toy all over. I just can't judge her. Can't judge her. I really need to start charging my tablet before it dies. So yeah. She's finally in her car seat. For you guys to know that, yeah, I should say it. I'm not gonna say it. Alright. So I'm gonna give her her bottle. So just look at this mirror and you'll see a TV show on. Victorious. Let's watch that. Sorry, it's my tablet. And I only have using it with one hand. I know what you could do. Make this tablet stay out.
Yeah, get it.
So watch Victorious. Alright. So I'm gonna take her out of the car seat so I can see her. Come here, baby. Yes. Gotta get out. Yeah, you like it, huh?
She said she does.
Okay. I have her out now, as you can see. Ooh. Now it's just gonna stand it somewhere so I can stay out. You can see. Alright, so here she is. Let's see if you guys can see her. Alright, you guys can see her. Now I'm gonna feed her. Take her in a little bottle. Let me just pull it up. Alright, okay, stop now.
I want you to hack into the site and break the voting.
I'm feeding her.
It will be my front game. No. But at least he'll definitely get to be the queen.
Why did you do that? She's wearing makeup. Yes, she is.
You have to stay near me and talk to me.
You done?
Sure.
Let's give her some cheese doodles. Whew. She got to eat these cheese doodles. She didn't eat nothing but frosted flakes.
It was meatloaf.
She really loves drinking. She's a pissy potty. Okay. This one didn't get over your mouth. Wow. It's all in me. La, 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 la. Alright, so I'm babying her. Everywhere. It's all in me. Sing. Alright, so let's take off this headband. Every room is all in me. Yeah, it works right now. I make nothing. Hi, Dash. Sorry, that's my dog Dash. This is cute. His teacup, y'all. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Yes. Yes. Hi. Yes. 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 Sorry, I left my baby like that. Yes. Hi, baby. Hi. Yes. Yes. Okay, get out my video. Bruh, get out my video. Hi. Oh, you missed me? You missed me? You missed me? Put that little girl on too.
This little one. Can help you with this little one. Oh my God, Sunday, where are you going?
Nothing, I'm sure that's true. That is true. Come on, bro. That's what the law.
Somebody waiting on you.
Around here.
I'm making a video. I want to make a video. Can you see it? You're not going nowhere. Yeah. Where do you think you're going now? Hey, leave him alone. I can't.
I told you he ain't gonna come.
How are you making a video?
With my tablet? Okay.
Hey, leave you. Hey, leave you. Go ahead.
Okay, sorry. It's my neighbor next door. She's loved that door, but we couldn't. So, she has her next doctor's appointment. December something, I don't know. Oh wait, it's December 21st, sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna start burping her now. Alright. See if she burps. I think she's not gonna sit up because I get the doctor gave some medicine. So I'm gonna get a little more so you can see me burping her. Human burp somehow. Ready to burp? Ooh! Ooh, it's like,
Just tell us exactly what happened last night. Let's see if you ever noticed. What's happening? Seriously,
okay. Oh, you got to throw up? Oh.
What are your 3 favorite things for the next episode of Thunder? Okay, one, my baby's boyfriend's best friend turned out to be a girl who tries to steal.
You're done.
Of course you say that.
Throw up. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright. Oh, she's burping a lot. A burper person. I love her.
Quite annoying, but she's good.
Sometimes. We'll put her back on her hacking. Dash, get away from under the table, boy. Alright. Take it slow. Alright, so I'm gonna put her right back to sleep, guys, and yeah. Okay, put her back in her car seat. I'm gonna make her say bye in a minute. Say bye. Say bye, Crystal. She's trying. Say bye. Alright, good girl. Okay. Alright, go back to sleep. You might not go to sleep. Let me get you that medicine. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna make another video today. I don't know what it's gonna be about, but I don't know. What is this video about? What should I call it? And you'll see when I finish it. Well, I'm already gonna finish it. So, I'm already finishing it now. Bye. Subscribe down below. And thumbs up. And yeah.